So I've got a new way to come up with the tan rhombus using paper folding. So this shape compared to the others has been sort of problematic. It's been a little bit of a challenge, but I think I've come up with an alternate way to get it, and I actually like this way better than my previous method. So we're starting with our equilateral triangle, and you might be able to see here the medians are folded, right? And that gives us the centroid of the triangle, which is a very powerful point in this sort of activity. So I'm just going to take the top and fold it down to the middle there. Okay. And if you remember from the previous exercises, that gives the green equilateral triangle pattern block. So what we're going to do now is we're going to basically take, we've taken the 60-degree vertex angle of the equilateral triangle and it's been bisected by the sort of middle fold here. We now want to take this 30-degree angle here and we want to bisect that. So to do that, I'm going to fold so that this left edge meets that midline. Okay, like that. So it almost starts to look like a paper airplane fold. And then we're going to do the same thing. We're going to take this 30-degree angle here on this side, and we're going to bring the right flap into that midline. All right, so there you go there. Okay, so when you fold those, let's open this up and see what we got here. When you fold those, you now have a 30-degree angle here, right? Because you've got now 15 on this side and 15 on this side, which adds up to your 60-degree vertex angle. So I'm just going to lightly pencil in this fold here. And then lightly pencil in this fold here. Okay? All right, so now to complete the tan rhombus, if I fold this equilateral triangle back down, and now here's the back side of that fold that I penciled in on the front, right? So here it is here, and here it is on the back side, same thing over here. If I now fold this over, okay, so now I'm folding through that mark there, and then fold this over here. And it's using that fold that I made in the front. I now get my tan rhombus. Okay. So I actually like this version better than my previous method for getting the tan rhombus. Now, you could also repeat that from the other vertices, and then you end up with this kind of effect here. All right. So again, I hope you've had a fun time playing with these different ways of folding the pattern blocks, and look forward to hearing your ideas and input from what you have to say. All right. So thanks so much for participating, and we'll see you soon.